Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete cache files in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can open Adobe Premiere Pro but not open any project. So we are going to remove cache file to increase space in our hard disk or in our system. Now you see edit, so click on it and then you see preference. In preference you see multiple options. Now you see media cache, so click on it. Now you see media cache file, delete unused. So you can click on it. If you want, you can do media cache management. So we select do not delete cache file auto. So you can select this option, auto delete cache files older than this day. Okay. You can set 7 day or 8. So it's up to you. And then select delete unused. So click on it. Now you see clean media cache database. Now you see delete unused files done. So in this way you can remove cache or temporary files in Adobe Premiere Pro and then click on OK. If you want, you can restart your system. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.